perfect shot. Got him. That was a perfect heart shot. Got him. That was a perfect.
There he is. 42 yards. So these were my shots that were at 40. One was in the right, like couldn't have been a better shot almost. I mean, it
got him. All right.
Would have been a good enough shot to get run.
I hit it.
70 yards with a blunt. Okay. I mean, it didn't stick in, of course. Fucking.
Oh. Oh shit. I think I just hit it. Oh. Oh.
Okay. I just got back, and it's official. I just made a shot at 100 yards. I mean, I had to shoot a few times.